All right, here's the deal. I have a jam I'm sitting on. I'm deciding what I'm gonna do with it. Here's what I'm working with. This is a standard factory run-of-the-mill government issue vanilla refrigerator. And I'm gonna clean it up, see if it works. And I'm gonna stock it. I'm gonna stock it with my favorite beverage, LaCroix. I'm gonna fill it with LaCroix. And nobody can stop me. First order of business. Is it plugged in? No. If you fail to plug electronics in, commonly they will not work. So you have to make sure you plug them in. Pop her open. Just got baking soda from when Jimmy Carter was the president. 1993. This would have been Bill Clinton, not Jimmy Carter. I did not have a dirty refrigerator. All right, we're just using a little brush here, sponge. Some of this smells really good. It's got some Downy Unstoppables in it. Standard issue. Y'all probably just time lapse it and post that as a short. This will be the extended cut. There's not a whole lot to do here. I just gotta clean it up. I think it's getting cold. I don't know though. I don't know. This is quite the fridge. I mean, it came with this little butter penthouse and then this for all your just important documents probably, but it's starting to look pretty nice. I'm proud of this. Done a good job. Okay, now we just gotta clean these up, throw them back in, and then got the outside to work with. Kind of nasty, but we'll get it clean. All set. Now we just gotta get the bags. Restock this haul. Okay. Just got back from the store. Got the sodas. Cut the time off. Thank you guys for watching. Cheers.